Hey family, I'm Stephanie Wade. I'm HYBASIA, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa. And y'all, I'm in Galveston, Texas, USA, enjoying this beautiful sunny day. I want y'all to see what I'm doing today. I hope no matter where you are in the world, you're having a wonderful and blessed day. If you have not subscribed, please do. It will help a lot to build this channel. And if you're a subscriber, please watch the whole video. That helps support us in ways you cannot understand. I'm telling you, it helps support the channel. Anyways, I want you to see what I'm doing here in Galveston, as well as take you to the Gambia, this time virtually. But who knows when I'll actually be telling you hi from the Gambia. Hold on. This is Okinawa sweet potatoes. And I'm gonna dig up some of these slips and bury them. Well, not bury them, but plant them in a box. And put some new container garden soil in there. And see if by the end of the summer I don't have a whole box of Okinawa sweet potatoes, y'all. They're beautiful purple, very healthy. You can even eat these leaves like a salad or put them in your blender and make green juice out of it. The more health benefits out of the potato leaves than the potatoes themselves even. Well guys, I dug up some of these sweet potato slips, and you see how they look purple on the end? That's because it's Okinawa sweet potato slip. They are purple. Very, very good for you. I don't know how they'll come out this time, y'all, but they survived the winter. And I am going to replant them. I'm going to assemble a box behind me and put the earth in there, because the other box don't look like it's in such great shape from being out doing some of the rainy part of the winter and the cold. And I think maybe a cat or something crawled in there and tried to get warm and all that. So I just have to change the box. And then I will plant these, even add some holes in the side where I'll stick some in like I saw on other people's videos. But look how beautiful they look, y'all. Anyways, so many, and I started off with just 3 that I ordered during the time when the world was shut down, y'all. But anyways, they keep coming back once you plant them. If you're blessed, they keep coming back. Seem like a lot of them didn't, but enough of them did for me to replant them. But I only bought 3 small plants to begin with many years ago during the lockdown. And they still keep coming back every year, y'all. Annuals. So I'm happy about that. I just have to see what happened with the potato crop this year. One year I saw some came up, dug them up and everything. So it did happen once before, and I harvested them and ate them. And next time I think I have to make me a purple sweet potato pie. But anyway, y'all, let me go and take you to the Gambia right now. So just take a mental trip where you're gonna see our team in the Gambia, and we'll check in with them. And afterwards, I'll show y'all how the sweet potato slips are turning out over here, you know. Hold on. Let's go to the Gambia, y'all. Right now.
Yep, solan, then solan do. Whether big or small. So thank you so much, Yankuba. We are here again on Sunday as usual. So today I'm applying manure. This is what we call manuring. This is from animal waste. So here we are promoting organic farming. Permaculture, one of the principles is produce no waste and also use renewable energy, or any resources that can be renewable, we have to use them. These ones, it nourishes the soil. But chemical fertilizer can add only manure fertility to the soil, but it does not improve the soil structure, neither the soil biology or even the animal population. But this one feeds the soil. So this is why we have to feed the soil in order the soil to feed us. So the first thing we do is to feed the soil and also to feed the plant alongside. So this is what we are doing. We want to share our experience with people. The onion is now evolving, so we are applying this organic manure. So it's not easy to deal with organic manure because they are bulky. Sometimes they can smell, but please, plants need only that to survive. Any beautiful plant you see on earth, it feeds on only dirty thing, but it gives you the best you want. Yeah, give them that, they give you the best. So that's what plants are. So thank you so much. You can come back. So HYBASIA Food Forest, we are very grateful. Lucky to have our mom, Stephanie, wherever you are, we are with you in spirit. We are very grateful. Those donating, please donate. This is what we can do to share with other people. It's not about doing, but it's about sharing. And then also, we believe in partnership. Let's work together, succeed together. Nobody's an island, we need one another. So thank you so much, Yankuba. And the team is Division of Labor. Thank God, inshallah. This is the first video, but subsequent one will come gradually. Thank you, just follow me. You see how we apply it. The onion is now evolving, so it needs manure continuously. So this one releases nutrients gradually as it grows. So at this stage, it needs. Yeah, viewers, you see, everything here is teamwork. Sonko is preparing the hole for the palm. As I said, we will always continue planting palm because they are indigenous, but now they are almost disappearing. So we feel that for banana will never disappear. Anybody who has land, first you think about banana, papaya, oranges, mango. But for the palm, very few people. And the palm is very important. Imagine Malaysia being one of the leading world palm oil producer. They don't even have palm in those days. They, according to information, they pick it from Ghana. So Africa is known for indigenous plants. So why should we allow them to disappear? So this is why in the HYBASIA Food Forest, where people are not thinking of, that's what we are thinking of today. We are not thinking for our generation, but the next generation. Imagine when I was young, it was palm. Anywhere I go, you find palm. But now you can even look around, there's no palm. So we are planting. So please follow us. Otherwise, we will always look for palm. A day will come, but you'll never find it. So let's preserve our indigenous. Thank you. Abaraka. So I'll be removing the, and Sonko already make the hole. He's going to put it inside, and you see that we are working as a team. So you see how it is? Bismillah. Thank you. So we need to fill it, huh? Okay, so I go to my then you won't go see that then no. You will remove him again. So
and some we are doing the watering, and some we are doing the nursing. And we planted some trees also as well. So far so good. We are on track. So this is the trend now. Let us grow crop, let us grow trees to feed the generation and the generation coming, inshallah. So we have our best today. So this is all what we have to do today. So thank you very much. Thank you to viewers, subscribers, donators, everyone. So this is HYBASIA. This is our life. This is everything for us. So we are all family, one love, one heart. So thank you very much.
This is what we want. We want everybody to share.
Yeah.
And then you see, this is the beauty about the well, you know.
Yeah.
From the well,
Yeah.
now I have my water.
Mm.
So even without using the mashing, this is more advantageous than even a borehole sometimes. Because a borehole, the mashing is inside and it's a hole.
Yeah.
So imagine if you need water and there's no there's a problem. But the well is an alternative.
Yeah.
So we are grateful. Thank you until next Sunday.
Yeah.
Abaraka.
Inshallah.
All right, y'all. That's the box with the soil in there. I'm gonna leave it like that because I don't know how the soil will move once it starts growing up, you know. But I'm gonna punch some holes in the side and plant some of the slips on top. Okay, I planted one, and here's another one that was just all together. And y'all, I am gonna let it be like it was in nature. Just move over some of this dirt and put it in there and just cover up the root with soil. I already wet the soil, y'all. Well, guys, my first attempt at growing sweet potatoes inside of a box. We'll see. So I saw on the internet, you plant it now, your slips now, and at the end of the summer, you should have a whole crop of potatoes ready to harvest inside of a box. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed seeing what our team was up to in Jambanjelly. I can't wait to be there myself and see it with my own eyes, up close and personal, and be there with the team too to get my hands dirty there. I just want y'all to see how the sweet potato slips look in the box. So here goes. And just remember, if you're just watching me and not subscribing, please do. It really helps. I'm monetized, y'all, but I'm not hardly getting nothing because I need people to subscribe and watch the whole video, y'all, so I can get something. All of the money I get will be for the Food Forest project, y'all. If you want to give me a coffee, I'll leave my cash app in the comments and it's in the information box. If you want to become a part of Patreon, all information is in that information box, y'all. Whatever is on your heart that the Most High put there, please do. Any amount is always appreciated to the fullest. Thank you to everybody who's donated in the past or gonna do it today or in the future. Abaraka. We are grateful. Now come on and see what I did with those sweet potato slips, and pray for me that by the end of summer, I have some potatoes to harvest. Grow your own food no matter where you are in the world. Permaculture works everywhere, y'all. if you just don't give up. Oh, well, I hope that warmed your heart to see what I got started on over here. Until the next time, grow some food, y'all. Grow some food. And subscribe to this channel. Like and share. Till the next time, y'all. Peace, peace. Power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.